You see traders making money with AI-powered trading bots, and you wonder how did they do it? Most platforms trap you with high fees, slow execution, and unreliable bots. But Bybit does it better, giving you an edge with powerful AI-driven automation. Bybit is the second largest crypto trading platform in the world, trusted by millions. And right now, they're offering up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses, but here's the catch: it's only available through the link in the description. Plus, you'll get 16 exclusive coupons in the Rewards Hub, trading vouchers, discounts, and extra bonuses just for getting started. At first, stepping into binary options trading feels like a gamble. You're dealing with high fees and unclear signals, leaving you second-guessing every move. But with Bybit's ultra-low fees, you instantly gain an edge. While other platforms drain your profits, Bybit lets your money work harder for you. You start exploring the tools first. Bybit Earn, unlike risky investments, this guarantees interest on your crypto. No surprises, just passive income. Then, there's demo trading, letting you practice without risking real money. But what if you want AI-level insights? That's where TradEgg4 comes in. Think of it like ChatGPT-4, but for trading, analyzing market trends, predicting movements, and helping you make smarter, data-driven decisions. Still unsure about trading? Bybit's AI-powered trading bots handle everything for you. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, these bots automate profitable strategies so you never miss an opportunity. And here's where it gets even better: copy trading. Instead of stressing over charts, just copy top traders and let them do the work. And if you're worried about risks, Bybit has your back. If you're among the first 100 traders to get liquidated, Bybit gives you $100 to cover losses. Then comes the game changer: the Bybit card. No fees, works everywhere, and even earns cash back. Spend crypto like cash, effortlessly. Deposits, easy. Buying crypto, even easier. Verification, fast, works with nearly any document. This isn't just another exchange. It's an all-in-one platform designed to make crypto trading effortless, rewarding, and accessible. So if you're ready to trade smarter, earn passively, and claim your $30,000 bonus, check the link in the description. It's only available there. Start your journey with Bybit today.